Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back everyone. Here's my fall decorating ideas and fall tablescape collection through the years. So today, I'm going to decorate my table, my very first fall over-the-top tablescape. This video is a part of close collaboration. Alright everyone, let's get this started. Hey guys, this is my very first over-the-top glam fall tablescape and I am using items that I already have. Both of my placemat came from Home Goods. This video is part of close collaboration with my group, the Glam Squad. This is our 3rd year anniversary, so we are doing different decorating here. Some of us doing decorate their area of their home, but mine I will do the tablescape. After you watch my video, please go over to my friend's channel. Their link will be in the description box. My charger came from Z Gallery, and my dinnerware came from Home Goods. This acrylic pumpkin right here came from Bed Bath & Beyond. It was on clearance last year and I did a tablescape with that last year. I layered my napkin folding, so the very first one, napkin that has accent of pumpkin, came from Home Goods, and the second one, it was from Pure One. These big goblets right here I thrifted from Goodwill, and the small one came from Home Goods. My head of the table goblets came from At Home. This glam candle right here came from Z Gallery. Welcome to my over-the-top glam fall tablescape 2023.
Wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too, 'cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling.
My beaded runner matches my beaded placemat. Remember guys, this candle right here I have in my past video a few months ago. That one came from Mark's grocery store. My napkin ring from Amazon. This Pampas grass right here, I have this for a few years and came from Hobby Lobby. The vase came from Home Goods. Again, candle from Z Gallery. Circle pillar candle holder from Z Gallery. And here's my evening look. So I did change my centerpiece and here it is. It's all about pumpkin.
She didn't love you back, love you back. All she did was leave a hole in your chest. You didn't get that job, even though you really gave it your best. And now you're wondering what's the point of anything at all. But let me tell you what, that's just life putting you through the test. Before the dawn, it's always dark. Before the light, there is a tunnel. Before you run, you gotta stumble.
This glass pumpkin right here from Home Goods few years ago. And the other one right here from Z Gallery. And here's the other one. Full lips votive candle holder. I believe that one came from At Home again few years ago. Another evening look because I really love the light pumpkin there And the bolted candle holder from Z Gallery. I think the ambience is really cozy and beautiful. Also the beaded glass pumpkin as well.
You say you're getting old, but what do you know about what's to come? 'Cause what the future holds, nobody knows till the razor's
Please let me know what you think about my over-the-top glam fall tablescape ideas. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice, so every time I upload videos, you will be notified. Also, please don't forget to stop by at my friend's channel. Their link will be in the description box along with the playlist.
when you fall in love, but it don't work out. When you've cried at least 100 times. When you feel so stuck, but you can't get out. Just remember, there will come a day when it all works out, and you didn't even have to try. You will find a way if you hold on now and remember that the only way is up from here. The only way is up from here.
Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye! Be safe!